Morning everyone. We will be discussing all about operations of functions. First, sum of functions. This is the example of sum of functions. As you can see in there, you have two functions. F of x is equals to 9x minus 5 and g of x is equals to 4x plus 1. As you can see there is f plus g of x. So we need to do this. F plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. So after that, we are ready now to substitute. So first the f of x. So now combining. So 9x plus 4x is equals to 13x. Then negative 5 plus 1 equals to negative 4. So that's the final answer. But there's another way to solving sum of functions. So like this. All you need to do is you need to align the f of x and g of x. First 9x minus 5, then here 4x plus 1. So now you're going to add the negative 5 plus 1 equals negative 4. And now the 9x plus 4 equals 13x. And that's the final answer. F plus g of x is equals to 13x minus 4.
I'm Christian Sibla, so let's proceed to subtraction of functions. Subtraction of functions. So the given is f of x equals 3x minus 5, g of x equals 4x plus 6. And we need to find f minus g equals f of x minus g of x. So first we need to substitute. So the f minus g is 3x minus 5, so we need to put it here. Then the next is 4x plus 6. Then you will put parentheses because we will change the sign later. So 3x minus 5 minus 4x minus 6, then combine like terms. So 3x minus 4x then is equals to negative x, then negative 5 minus 6 is equals to negative 11. So that's all.
Hi, I'm Alan Kimafella. Today, I'm gonna talk about the product of functions. So, product of functions. You can determine a product of functions by just looking at this notation, this dot. And there are many ways how to solve a product of functions. Distributive method. And here is my example. F of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 2. And g of x is equals to x plus 3. And we're gonna find the f times g of x. So first, you're gonna replace the f of x to x squared plus 5x plus 2 and the g of x to x plus 3. And first, we're gonna distribute the first term. X squared times x is equals to x cubed. X squared times 3 is equals to 3x squared. Now the second term, 5x times x is equals to 5x squared. 5x times 3 is equals to 15x. Lastly, the last term, 2 times x is equals to 2x. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So now, we're gonna combine the like terms. X cubed, then 3x squared plus 5x squared is equals to 8x squared. And the 15x plus 2x is equals to 17x. And we're gonna bring down the 6. So, this is our final answer. This is our f times g of x.
Topic is all about one of the operation of function, which is the division of functions. So in math, if you read or hear about dividing functions, they usually talk about dividing polynomials. Division of function is f over g of x is equals to f of x over g of x. So let us find out what is the quotient of this function. So the given are f of x is equals to 6x plus 12 and the g of x is equals to x squared plus 6x plus 8. So let us substitute. So the f of x is equals to 6x plus 12 and the g of x is equals to x squared plus 6x plus 8. So let us factor out the numerator and the denominator. So this is the result. So the common between the numerator and the denominator is x plus 2. So let us crush out this both. And the quotient of this function is 6 over x plus 4.
Good day. I am Vanessa Parba and I am here to present to you about composite functions. Composite function is a function that has more functions inside of it. From the word composite, it is a function composed of another function. I am going to give you some examples to understand more about it.
There are two types of annotations in composite functions, namely f circle g of x and g circle f of x. So f of x is equals to x squared plus 12 and g of x is equals to x minus 7. So we need to illustrate it like this. Since f is outside of the parenthesis, we're gonna use f of x as the formula of this equation and g of x as the value of x. So f circle g of x is equals to x squared plus 12. Since we're gonna use g of x as the value of x, we need to replace x squared with g of x. X minus 7 squared plus 12. Then you need to perform the square, which would be x squared minus 14x plus 49, then plus 12. So the next step, or the last step, is you need to combine like terms. Since x squared does not have the same terms with other numbers, you just need to bring it down, just like negative 14x. But 49 and 12 are the same terms, so you just need to add them. So 49 plus 12 is equals to 61. So f circle g of x is equals to x squared minus 14x plus 61.